If your iPhone screen not recording, or if you're facing iPhone screen recording black screen issue, this 5-minute solution will show you how to fix this problem. So the first solution is restart your iPhone. Once done, check the issue. And the second solution is go to your settings, scroll down, tap on Control Center. Here, make sure to add screen recording. Here, then enable access within apps option and then check the issue. And the third solution is go to your screen time, content privacy restrictions, and now tap on content restrictions, and here tap on screen recording. Make sure to select here allow and then check the issue. And the next solution is disable power saving mode. Tap on battery, and if your low power mode is enabled, you have to disable this option and then check the issue. And the last and final solution is reset all settings. Tap on general, tap on transfer or reset iPhone, reset all settings. Once done, restart your iPhone and hope the solutions will work. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe 5-minute solution. See you in the next video.